So today we are going for a small train ride, especially because of this little boy. Čuču! Ja, gdje idemo?
Čuču!
Čuču, idemo se voziti u vlak. Going for a short train ride to show the kids how the Dutch people travel. Huh? Yeah, yeah. See you in the train. So here it is, Bodegraven train station. Let's do this, guys.
Hi, we're very excited.
Yeah, choo-choo.
First time ever for the kids to go in the train.
Yeah, let's go, Emmi. So this is how people here do it. They come with their bikes to the train station, they leave the bikes here, and then they take the train to their final destination. Yeah, that's how it's done. Train tracks and an excited little boy. Jan! Jan!
Choo-choo!
Choo-choo, yeah! Waiting for the train to come. We're a little bit early. I think we hear it. Jullie dolazi vlak, ja?
Ga je zwaaien? Gaan we
Ja.
zwaaien naar de trein?
Ja.
Goed zo.
Zwaaien.
Zwaaien. Wow, wat grote. Oh, gaan we even lopen.
Wow. Get in. Zo. There. Up. Can you hold the door for me?
Wauw, nog een trein.
Ja się tam vlak duša.
Jee.
Emmi is next to me.
Kan je het zo goed zien? Moet je even bij papa op schoot. Kom maar even bij papa op schoot.
Wow.
Ja. Mooi, hè?
Šta kažeš, duša? Šta kažeš?
Oh, daar is de conducteur op een vlijtje.
There we go.
Kijk, daar gaan we. Mooi, hè? Ja. Vind je dat leuk?
Emmi's first train ride too. En se držiš čvrsto holding slot. Šta je tu na livadi?
Kijk eens, nog meer schaapjes.
Little sheep. And that is it. We are almost at the station. Huh? Kako je bila duša?
Dat is een zalven aan de rij.
Eto nas. Došli smo. Jan. Kaži papa vlak. Papa čuču. Bye bye. Little train. Bye bye. Je li bilo dobro, Jan?
Maar zwijnen.
Je li ti bilo dobro u vlaku?
Was het leuk?
Huh?
Vond je dit leuk?
Choo-choo!
Još
nog een
jedan
trein.
vlak. Yeah. But we're going back home now. Okay guys, so that was it for today. We had a lot of fun in the train, just a short ride to see the kids, to show the kids how it goes with the train rides, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!